that's what is going on right there. It's a little hook and it got a hole in it. So to get these ones that were on off, and some windshield wipers are, you know, built a little different, but it's the same, you know, pretty much the same principle. To get it off, let's see if I can get this right here right quick. To get it off, all I did was take this little tab that you see right here, lift it, and pull down, and this hook takes it out of that hole. There's a part behind here that the little hole in the hook hooks into, that pushes it out. You push it down outside of the loop, and that's all you got to do to get them off. So see, this one not too bad actually, but you know, if one needs replacing, I'm gonna just go ahead and replace both. You know what I'm saying? I don't want two wipers that aren't necessarily gonna match. So like I said, the other one, some separation, and so yeah, right there, some separation. So, you know, I'll just go ahead and replace both. And so for the new ones, these are a little bit different. So for these ones, the instructions tell me to lift. What part am I lifting up? Hold on, I'm gonna get right back to y'all. Okay, so for these new ones, just lift this part right here, lift that up out the way, and this is the part that the J is gonna hook around. So you put it in, come back and loop it, and it's gonna catch this back end on the hole. So go ahead and put those on. Alright, so got the windshield wipers on, and next up I'm gonna swap the lights out. And like I said, for these windshield wipers, man, pretty much all you gotta do is take this hook, come back, and you know, pull this to hook it in place till it clicks, and you know, that's pretty much it. And then this last little part that's built in, just close that back down. But you know, windshield wipers are pretty easy thing to change out on your own, you know what I mean? It's not really necessary for you to go to whatever shop or dealership and buy their wipers and have them do it for you, you know what I'm saying? Because, and get that little extra whatever labor charge that they're doing, because it's just an easy swap out, you know what I'm saying? A lot of these things are, you know what I mean? Windshield wipers and a lot of the lights and stuff like that too. So, you know what I mean? It's not a big deal if you don't want to do it, and don't do it, but it is a quick way to save some money, you know what I mean? When you think it need to be replaced, doing it by yourself and only buying a part, as opposed to just taking it somewhere and have them buy the part and charge you for labor to do something that's really easy and only takes you a couple minutes to do, you know what I'm saying?